How are you? Well, I am also fine. Do you know what class we learned yesterday? Yes, we will learn about tag, but today we will learn another topics. This is called transformation. Transformation means changing sentence without meaning. So, how can we change the sentences one to another? So, we will learn first the rules and regulation about the changing sentence. That means transformation. You will write down on your khata transformation means, I repeat, transformation means changing sentences without meaning. Without meaning. This is called transformation. So, to do this, we will have to learn some rules about it. First, if we change the sentences, we will know how many sentences, how many things, how many methods here. First, we will learn to change the sentences. Firstly, sentences in 5 according to the meaning. Sentence is divided into 5. That means assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. Exclamatory. First, we have to learn the definition of assertive sentence. We will learn about it. Among these 5 sentences, only assertive, interrogative, and exclamatory will contain for the changing sentence. Optative and imperative do not change according to the rule. So, we will learn first assertive. What is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence means the sentence which express the ordinary thing, the sentence which express the descriptive and it contains the quotation, as like he wants a shirt. This is a descriptive sentence. And another is he said, I am a student. This is quotation. So we can change this kind of sentence into assertive to another sentence. Accordingly, we can learn about interrogative. We know what is interrogative sentence. The sentence which asks question is called interrogative sentence. Such as this sentence we can write in two ways. Direct question, যেমন what is your name? Another is are you ill today? This kind of sentences we can change according to transformation. The another is exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? We have learned our next classes. I repeat, to begin the changing sentence, exclamatory sentence means the sentence which express all feelings of a human being. All feelings of a human being is called exclamatory sentence. Such as we can write this sentence in two ways also. Such as how small the house is. This kind sentence is called exclamatory sentence. In this way, in this sentence expresses our feelings. Small. So we can learn about the sentences and then we will transform these sentences the next day. You will read the 5 sentences accurately in your houses, and we will start again transformation tomorrow. Thank you very much. আমি কমপ্লিট করে দিয়েছি।